Sio Nagad. Hi everyone. Aya Traci Sorell, Dagodoa, Jijalagi. I'm Traci Sorell, citizen of the Cherokee Nation, and I also write fiction, nonfiction, and poems for young people. I wrote my 2 Sinkhame poems about Cierra Fields, a fellow Cherokee citizen, because I was inspired about how she used her voice and challenging life experiences to educate others and push for change. That's not always a common response. Before I reached out to her and her family, I researched articles about her work in our tribal newspaper and online in other trustworthy news sources. Then, after I felt like I knew more about all the different types of activism Cierra had done, I contacted her mother via social media and then Cierra. We had wonderful conversations. We even met for lunch last year. Cierra approved the poem and the artwork that feature her. She inspires me, and I hope she inspires you too.